Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change language on Google Maps. First, open your Google Maps. And then on the upper right part of your screen, tap on your profile. And then tap on Settings. From here, scroll down. And as you can see in here, the voice search is on default English. You'll have an option to change it to any language that you want in here. Once you have selected the voice search in here, then your language on Google Map has been changed. And that's how to change language on Google Maps. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.